Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Soraya, and guess what I'll be doing today? Yes, this is a banana plant that we're going to uppot. This banana plant came from my workplace. I got one of the pops and I planted it in this pot. It was a very tiny wishy-washy pop, but look at it now, thriving. I'm going to put a picture of the banana plant that is now producing at my workplace, and you'll be able to see in a few months' time what ours will be looking like. All right, so come along with us. Jojo said that she won't be in this part uppotting the banana plant, but she'll be there for the harvesting. She told me to tell you guys that, okay? Alright, so I'm taking out this old tomato plant. Alright, so let's do this.
Can I help, Mommy?
Sure. Let me get the strings out.
I want to help.
Oh no.
You found the green scissors?
Yes, I found it.
Where
You can
was
use
it?
the parts of this to mulch the banana plant.
She did it. I'm sorry.
Oh, where was it? Just on your playhouse.
What?
Yes.
Ow!
Hush,
Ow!
hush.
Ow! Ow! Big cat. Get on! Oh, help.
Wanna help?
I will
I
help
thought
with
you
the
were the one to
lesson.
be in the arbor. You wanna be in both parts
So
now?
what can you do?
I wanna put some of the soil. I'm taking some of the soil out and then revamp it and then. Sorry, get the
Do you want a
bucket.
hole?
Yes, I want a hole big enough for the banana plant.
Okay.
But get the bucket. Can manage, Georgia?
You take the small shovel, I'll take the big shovel.
So I must say the small shovel.
So what is the opposite day? It's the opposite day.
Oh, it's opposite there.
Yeah.
Meaning what? Meaning what?
Meaning the switch.
Oh, switch.
I can pick up the wheel. I know how to. I know to do something. Can it be my channel next time?
Yeah, watch. Yeah, watch. Channel, Jojo.
Remember the decorating channel? Yeah, decorating decorations.
Let's pretend.
Hi, and I have a great video. We're planned.
Something.
You better be prepared.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Take out as much dirt.
How?
Can you manage?
Opposite day.
Alright. You don't have to take out a lot at a time. Just take out some small quantity. Careful.
Don't waste it.
Don't waste
Dirt. Auntie, tell us when to switch. Back shovels.
Switch now. Switch. But we will have the entire day or night. You're taking from mine?
Tell us when to switch, Auntie.
Not yet.
Oh, hey, you wasted the dirt on my shoe.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Hold on, wait, no man, you're defeating the purpose.
Harry. Oh no!
No.
We're wasting them. That's just no.
Alright, sorry, I think I'm just gonna do this. Revamp that part and then add back the soil. Alright, put that part in. Quickly, Joe.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
You don't even say switch up, sweetie.
Alright, I'm gonna do one more shovelful.
I'm gonna try it.
A giant scoop.
Big. Giant scoop, mommy.
Big scoop.
Big scoop.
Alright.
Ice cream. Hey, soon this.
Excuse, I don't want to dump it on your head.
Whoa, this is the perfect scoop.
Okay. I'm first.
Hey.
Alright.
And
Take it out more. Ew.
what happened? Why is it ew? Ew. Can I take it?
No, Jonah.
No, I just meant if I. Oh. Wow. More?
Okay, let's dump it. I can mix it up. So just dump. I just said nobody mean dump out all of it.
What?
I just a bit more.
It's like magic. I'm queen. I'm the queen. I have this mail. It's clicked out. Queen Jordan. Queen Shots. Tree chop. You.
Alright, so this is just some
You.
overripe banana as well.
Can I
Way overripe.
I want to cut. You hold it, I cut.
You go for another.
Ew!
So you want to cut? You say ew.
I just said you because you picked off with your hand.
Yeah, so what?
Auntie.
Why is screaming on the place like that for?
Sit there. Auntie, tell us when to switch. I'm working.
Oh, sorry.
I've got all the bananas for you. Wait. Auntie, you gotta tell us how much bananas mommy do, how much bananas I do. Auntie, do you know?
I need some chicken manure. Rabbit poo. Alright, this is what you call a root bound. Alright. And as I said, it was a wishy-washy pop. Look at it. Strong. Alright, this is some topsoil that we bought. So I'm going to amend it with peat moss and perlite. I'm gonna use it to backfill the banana plant. Alright, so this is the perlite. And this is the peat moss. Alright, let's see how this is. Right. I think I can add some more. Look at the bee activity. Look at the bee trying to find some food. Wasp. It's a wasp. Alright, let me put this in and see how much more we need.
Can I help? Can I help now?
All the way down, if you can.
Only help because it's so hard.
How it stay? Lean? Can you fix it? Too much. Oops, heavy.
You don't make me need to be annoying.
So I'm gonna water it in, mulch it to trap the moisture in. A banana plant loves water, and as it grows up, I'll add more soil to it. So we'll put a picture of what it should look like in about a couple months' time when it is producing. Alright, so thank you for joining us today for putting our banana plants, and we will see you in the next one. And remember, do start that garden one container at a time. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Happy gardening.